See, don't put unnecessary messages. CSC B section. Again, I'm telling repeatedly. I don't know who is that Escape. At least put your names there. Anonymous and so on. Please don't put it in a WhatsApp. These things. So it is clearly told. It is auto admit. Last week's class only. It is keep on rotating. The same link. You put it into your Google calendars. So is it cleared, all of you? Please save this link in the Google calendars. Every week I will not send the links from next time onwards. The same link you have to join. So last Saturday's link only, it is there. I have sent it again. Almost the students have joined except these 3 or 4 useless fellows. I don't know who is that. I have to check it out. Simply keep on disturbing in the WhatsApp again. Prajwal. Let me check. He's there, I think. Prajwal. You have joined again. You are putting message there. Prajwal, reply. How come it came now, man? You have to see 1 or 2 minutes it will take to join. It was waiting till so long. So long it will not take, man. Okay. So this is a purchased version of the G Suite. If you are doing with the normal Gmail IDs, it will take time. So maybe the network issue from your side, no? So it takes little time. So similarly, who is this Manik Chauhan again? So this is one more work I have to do. Keep on checking. Manik Chauhan. He is also got joined. Again, he is putting same. What is that same? I don't know. Manik Chauhan. That Itsuke, who is that Itsuke? I don't know. Anonymous fellows. So please put your names in the WhatsApp, that status lines. At least put your names. We can see that. I think this is Kamal Nayan. Kamal Nayan already joined and muted. You are putting it is showing like this, sir. Yes, Kamal Nayan. Reply. Pick some other links and all. Keep on disturb the classes in between for me. Okay, fine. Early morning, why we should waste our time? What it is showing, man? See, your screen is not visible now. Now your screen is visible or not? That I am asking. So after joining, you should wait for 1 or 2 minutes to auto admit. So it is a auto generated software of the Google auto admission. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes maximum it will take. That's why I give link at 9:20 only. I have given. You can see in WhatsApp 9:20 in or around 5-10 minutes before only I'll send the link. So next class onwards, it's a sincere suggestion. Let's leave it and now we come to the class. I don't want to disturb the class now. So next Saturday onwards, again the same link. Tuesday also recursion link. It is there, recurring link. Please save the links in your Google Calendar as a DS class. Okay. Again and again, I will not send the link in the WhatsApp from next week onwards. So Thursday's link already I have recorded. You save that record link in your Google calendars. So no need to click on the link again and again. It will only give the alert once the class is started. Before starting 10 minutes of the class only, it will give the alert links. Okay, fine. So now we'll start with this class, expressions. So evaluation of expression to postfix. In the question, I have given both infix and the postfix. Let me start the recording. Sorry for this. It's audible, right? Is the screen, that expression is visible properly? Someone please reply fast. Screen visible properly? Yeah, fine. So this already I have solved in the previous classes also. Today also I will take only 4 expressions I will solve, and I will give some time to ask the questions. I think some students, they asked for question number, I don't think so. Karthik MR, I think morning he has messaged. Let me check. Question number. What was the question numbers, Karthik? Six B, I already explained. I will share the recording session. It's I already explained. 2 times I explained. 7th also I explained. Both the recording sessions I will send it to your mail ID. Okay. You send me the mail ID in the WhatsApp. I will send it to you. Okay. So conversion of infix to postfix expression. In this question, we have following expressions to prefix and postfix using stack. Since it is asked for only 5 marks, first we'll concentrate for the postfix only. So prefix expression next time we will solve. So for this question, we will solve only the postfix expressions. So prefix, you can delete it in that question there. Conversion from infix to the postfix expression. What do you mean by a postfix expression? What is the general syntax of a postfix expression? Yes. What is the general syntax of postfix expression? AB plus operand 1, operand 2, and operator. Like that it will going to work, right? So infix expression, operand, operator, operand 2. So whereas postfix expression, yes, operand 1, operand 2, operator. Correct, Aditya. Syntax I am asking. So other students, that's also correct. That's examples you have given. So whenever they asked for syntax, operand 1, operand 2, and operator, you should mention it over there. Okay. So here we have a completely infix expression. We have to go with the rule table. Previous class only I have given the rule table, and I have attached in that ByGod also. Download and keep it ready while solving the expressions. It is very important. I told in the previous class only. I don't know how many of you have done that. So now we will start evaluating the expression. First expression is what? First expression here, expression, the first term is what? What is the first term in the expression? So 3 rules I have given for that, right? So if the given expression first term is a character, where we are going to put that? Where we are going to put that? If it is a character, directly it has to be popped onto the, directly it has to pop onto what? So if it is a character, pop, right? Pop to the output. So output will be A. So second, again, read second character. What is there? Where you'll dump that? Yes. Second, what is second character there? Dollar symbol. Where dollar is also an operator there, right? So where you will put that dollar, you're going to put it onto the stack. Second is a dollar, so put it into the stack. So stack of 0 is dollar. Okay. Next, what is the next character there? B. So where we will put this B? So B we have to pop, right? So where we're going to pop? Where we're going to pop? So dollar remains same in the stack. So now the expression is A, B. Right? Yes or no? Output. Yes, correct. So next, what is the next operator? There. Star. So next expression what we have is star. Now we'll check with the preference. See in the preference table, dollar place. Now we have to check with the priority of the operator there. So which has highest priority, that operator has to be popped out first. So since the dollar has highest priority here, so we will going to pop dollar and push this onto the stack. So star will be pushed onto the stack. So dollar will be popped onto the output. So AB dollar. Right? Next what is there? C. Where we will going to pop C? Yes, where we will going to pop C? Just 1 minute. Okay. So now the character C we have to push onto the output screen, that is popping to the output. So here the stack contains only star. So the output contains AB dollar C. So how the plus we have to check with what? Plus we have to compare it with, plus has to be compared with what? Minus, which has the highest priority? Minus or plus has highest priority? Minus has highest priority. So we need to pop minus onto the output screen, right? So plus will be replaced in the stack. So that expression is here. expressions is AB dollar A B dollar C star D minus. So this is the expression we got now, right? Yes, pop minus, correct. So what is the next data there? E. So now we have E. Directly pop that E here. So A, B, dollar, C, star, D, minus E. Okay. So this is about popping character. When we have a character, we should pop it onto the output screen. So now we have an operator divide. So plus is already there in the stack, right? So now which one we should pop? Is division should be popped or plus should be popped? Yes. Is division should be popped or plus? See the priority. So what I told, whenever the two operator is there, see the priority. Where we in stack it will be plus. So whether division has to be popped or plus has to be popped. See the priority index. Is plus has highest priority or division has highest priority? Yes. So now A, B, dollar, C, star, D, minus E, slash. Okay. Now the next is F. So division is left in the stack F. So same expression as it is, F will be copied as it is here. Okay. Now next, what is there? Next operator here, division is there, right? So division operator, check comparison inside also. Inside again, plus is there. We need to pop the division operator, right? Inside plus only is there. We need to pop what? So slash F slash, right? Yes or no? Now, next, what is there? Next, what is available after division? Opening bracket. So opening bracket, we need to push into the stack again. So plus open. So same as it is will be there. Next, what is there? G is there, right? So now we have G. Since it is a character, pop onto the output screen. So directly it will be popped onto the output screen, copied as it is. So slash F slash G. Okay. Now plus is there. So again inside stack plus with opening bracket is there. So compare. So both are same symbols. So add, pop that plus. After G, one plus will come. Okay. So now H, pop slash F slash G plus H. So now closing bracket, whenever it encounters a closing bracket, what is you have to do? Whenever it encounters a closing bracket, what we have to do? Pop what? Entire stack. So pop the entire stack when it encounters a closing bracket. So what will be the final string after popping? So A, B, dollar, A, B, dollar, C star, D minus E slash F slash G plus H plus. Okay. Is it cleared? Is it cleared? Yes or no? Reply fast. Is the expression is cleared? Yes. So please copy down this solution I will share. I will export the board and I will keep it. Export as image. I will save that so that I can share. I will share that board on the link, whatever it is provided there. You can cross verify it. Okay. Fine. So there are small mistakes that you people have done. Why didn't we move divide? Where is the divide, man? One, two. Already we have moved, no? Now, Tej, already we have moved the divide, no? Two division operators has came. Slash, yes, slash only. Two division operators already is there in the pop screen, right? Then whatever is, what else is left out there? All the operators are there in the screen, means output. Is any operator left out there? Check it. I hope all the operators are popped there. So divide has highest priority. We have moved it output, moved onto the output screen. So where it is left, Navtej? Okay. So if this is clear, I'll go with the next one. One more expression is there. By the time you'll come to know the clearly how it is working. Okay. So shall I go to the next expression? Solvent check. Again, any doubts is there? Tuesday also class is there. 11:30 class. I'll clarify it once again. Four expressions are there. This they will ask it for 5 marks each. Okay. After seeing this, you solve it once again. Still you have any doubts, I'll clarify it there. Okay. So shall I move on to the next expression? Yes, no, nothing is there. Early morning people are having breakfast and sitting silently, I think. Huh? Okay. So now you only should tell. Okay. So now insert in first expression here. Here the first expression is A. So when the first expression is element A, what is the action performed? So parallelly, if you answer only, I will explain. Pop onto the output. Action to be performed is pop onto the output. A is pop. So expression element is minus, push onto the stack to the 0th position. Output will be the previous case A only. Next expression is B, right? So now what we have to do, pop onto the stack. Here minus will be replaced as it is. So A, B is the output. So now again the expression is division. What you have to do now? Now it will be cleared for you. Carefully listen. So now the expression is division, element is division. So we have to push onto the stack. In what way? Yes, you have to push onto the stack. What way? Yes, minus division. Which has highest priority? Division has highest priority. A, B, slash. Okay, pop. So now the next is opening bracket. So action is push onto the stack. So A, B, slash. Now character C, pop onto the output screen. So we should pop onto the output screen A, B, slash C. Next, what is next? Star. So minus opening bracket star A, B, slash C. Next, we have D. So pop A, B, slash C, D. Okay. So next dollar, which has highest priority now? Is the dollar has highest priority or star has highest priority? Compare star with the dollar. Priority, we should pop it onto the output screen. So that is nothing but AB slash CD dollar. Now E pop A B slash C D dollar E. So when it encounters closing bracket, what we have to do? Should pop the entire stack, right? So when we pop an entire stack, the final expression will be A B slash C D dollar E star minus. So this will be the final expression we popped onto the output screen. Okay, is it clear? Yes, no, nothing, no reply. Okay. So now next I will give an exercise for you people to solve. Another two examples are there. That is for 10th B question. 10th B, third expression, I want the output. Okay. So that I'll post it now. So is this part is cleared for you people? I think yes, I received so many messages. Thank you. So just wait a minute. I'll upload the second expression. Now you solve this expression and give the output for me. So I'll give 20 minutes of time till 10:40, 10:35. Yeah, till 10:35 I'll give the time. You solve this expression completely. I think expression is visible for you. Solve it completely and put it in the message box. Last time I given the link. Many of the students, they have not uploaded. I don't know why. So what may be the reason? Still I didn't got. I want the output to be put it on the message box. The final expression individually you should put it there. So now let me take the attendance. So please type your numbers and keep it ready for the attendance. All of you. Sahir Ahmad, I didn't call any USN number till. Why you have entered? You want to go so early from the class? Eh? Huh? Okay, USN number 1, answer your attendance. USN 1, present. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, USN number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20 absent, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 36 absent, 38, 39, 40, 40, 40 absent, 41, 42, 43. Anusha, don't put repeatedly. I have recorded it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, I said. 41 present, 42 absent. 43 present, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 71 not there, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 84 also not there. So 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100 is not there. Okay. 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 114, 115, 115, not there. 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 126. Wait a minute. 127, 128. Who is 128? Not there. Present. Okay. 129, 130. Fine. 131, 131, 132, 132, 133, 134, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 142, 141 not there, 142 absent, 143 present, 44, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 155 not there, 156 present, 157, 58, 59, 159, 160, 161, 162, 161 absent, 161 present. Should put in time, Shushmita, always late. 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 179, 180, 181, 182. Yeah, fine. Now you tell overall absent Tikshana 108 taken. 72 present. Okay, taken. Next. Lata Shekhar 82 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ 72 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Next, overall left out. I'll call the absentees. 117 recorded. I will call the absentees. 24 not there. 26, 40, 42, 71, 82, 84, 100, 115, 132, 134, 141, 142, 155. These are the absentees. I recorded it. So I think it is done. Attendance is done. So please complete this task and post it on the messages. Let me see. So 10 minutes till 10:35, I will give the time. So I want all 170 answers to be posted there. It is in the recorded session. Later on, I'll verify the answers. If everything is correct, then I'll give it to you. Okay? Try to do it. Try to solve it. 2 3 steps you can put it over there. No, directly instead of putting answers, Sindhu and Rakshita. 2 3 steps how we have solved. Type it in your Word document or in a text pad. Copy and paste it there. Yes, is it? I think very less replies are there. Fine, no problem. So last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I'll discuss about the assignment questions. I want all should be in the active. So last 10 minutes up to 11 o'clock, I'll be discussing the assignment questions. Another 5 minutes of time. Please submit the answers as early as possible. I'm not seeing all 170 answers here. Some they left already. I don't know why. So it's left to you people. Yes, any doubts is there in the assignment questions? You can ask. It's another 10 minutes of time. So any doubts or any clarifications is there, you can ask. So I will load the assignment questions. Substitution method, or I think the question is without stack, I think so. Just a minute, ma. Yeah, without stack. You can use substitution method also, Ananya. Substitution method will be a little bit easy for you to solve fastly. That also you can use, or you can use stack method also. If they specifically give 10A, specifically they mentioned using the stack. So you can cross verify after substitution also, through stack also you can cross verify. And here the assignment questions, briefly I'll describe what and all you should write. I think already you people have written it. So data structures, how they are classified, primitive and non-primitive, you have to explain in brief. Question number 1A. 1B, pointer variable, declaration, initialization, I think you people well known. What is the structure, how it is differed from array, difference between structure and array, different types of structure declarations with example, structures declarations with a normal variable, array variable, pointer variable. All the three concepts you have to explain briefly. Okay. So question number 3. List and explain the functions supported by C for dynamic memory allocation. What are those functions? Anyone? Dynamic memory allocations. Quickly. Question number 3, dynamic memory allocation functions. Malloc, alloc, and realloc free. All the 4 you can explain. 4th question, reversing the string, strrev, concatenation of 2 strings and comparing 2 strings. This I think already the programs I explained in the previous semester also. This semester also it is done. So you can write that functions. A representation of 2D array, initialization declaration with diagrammatic representations you have to do with 2D arrays, and algorithm for bubble sort. Sir, right, bubble sort, algorithm and function, both they have asked. It is for 6 marks actually. 3 marks for algorithm, 3 marks for sorting. That is a function. So carefully see that and write. Okay. Question number 6. Consider 2 polynomials, 6A, different operations carried on arrays. Insertion, deletion, display. That array insertion, array deletion, that operations you have to explain. In the material also I have given, I have described it in the class also. That part should be written for that. Consider the 2 polynomials. The polynomial function, whatever that is given here, that you put it in an array box and represent that. A very simple concept it is. Okay. Diagrammatic representation. Easily you can gain the marks for this. Pattern matching, string matching algorithm you have to write for P and T index. It takes 2 patterns, match the index. That function also I explained. Pattern matching algorithm. So that you have to write for this. Question number 8, I think. Explain in detail different type of structures used to store the strings. So strings, how it is stored in different ways. How the strings are stored, length controlled, delimited, array of strings, that you have to explain there. Implementation of push pop functions, this I explained. Program is not required, I think. 6th B, let me check. 1 minute. Show diagrammatic, give C representation, only that function you have to write. Two polynomials, one small function is given there. I explained a function. I have not asked the program, only the function. Give its C representation means simple lines of code of function is written. Okay. Is it clear? Yusuf Khan. Okay, fine. So question number 9, stacks, push, pop functions along with diagrammatic you have to show. This too I have solved it now. One part. Recursion. Tower of Hanai is the function has been taught in the class by sir. Recursive function for Tower of Hanai has he taught? I didn't ask him. If not, Tuesday class I will complete. Yes, if it is done, no problem. Thank you. So Q implementation. So my work is done for your first test. Good luck, study well, all the questions thoroughly. Okay, so the pattern of the test I'll announce it shortly. In your Monday lab is there. During that time I will announce how the pattern of test will be there and all. So my suggestion, try to get good marks in the test by writing the answers. Okay, assignment part, is it cleared for all of you? I want the reply. Okay, have a nice day. 10 minutes you can take a break and join for the other classes, whatever it is there. Since you people are asking for data problems, sir. So I'm giving little 10 minutes of time. Okay, fine. Thank you. Have a nice day.